Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily increase volume over max limit on your iPhone 16e. So first what we need to do is open up settings and now go to music. Here we need to go to apps and now find music. After we do that, what we need to do is click on EQ, which is the equalizer, and now select the late night for music boost. Now what we need to do is open up accessibility and now what we need to do is go to audio and visual, and now we need to go to headphone accommodations, and here we need to enable it, and here we can change it just by sliding. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.